So today we're going to be doing an investigation about sorting rocks. I know we've already sorted rocks, but now we're going to take that rock collection that you made the previous lesson on Tuesday. We're going to take that rock collection that you made, and we're actually going to do something with it. So we've been using rock words to describe rocks. Those words describe rock properties. Things we know about rocks and other objects by looking at them or feeling them are their properties. Properties of rocks that you've discovered so far have been rough, so if they're bumpy, smooth, if they're they have no cracks in them or anything, dull, if they're kind of flat looking, shiny, if they're like sparkly, and other, we might have observed some other things like shape, the shape of a rock. Okay, so the word that I used was property or properties, because we've been talking about properties, different properties of a rock. So if everybody says the word properties, we can talk about the things that we know about how an object looks or properties by looking at them or feeling them. So properties are things we know about objects by looking at them or feeling them. So if something is rough, that's one of its properties. If something is smooth, that's one of their properties. Okay? So we're going to continue our work as geologists. Remember, a geologist is a person who studies rocks. I'm actually going to bring out my rock collection. So this is my rock collection. These are the rocks I found, different types of rocks. So I take a look at my rocks, and I think today I brought some different types of rocks. They are the kinds of rocks you might find at the bottom of a river. We're going to call them river rocks. Okay? I'm going to look and I'm going to say, okay, how are these rocks the same? How are they the same? Well, if I feel them, they're all pretty smooth. Some of them have a little bit of rough edges, but a lot of them have like a smooth feel to them. Some of them have stuff on them that makes them feel kind of like chalk, like sidewalk chalk. So I'm going to think, my task today is to sort these river rocks by a property. So I'm going to sort these rocks into groups. I might think one of the groups could be big. That one's really big. Maybe I have like a big, and then maybe I have like a medium rock group. Medium's kind of a funny one. Like a medium rock group. And then these guys are kind of small. They're kind of tiny. So I have like a big, a medium, and a small group. Right? That's one of the properties I could do by size. I could also do maybe by pattern or color. This one is white and black, 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 black, white and black, white and black. This one's even white and black, white and black. This one is white, and then these guys are kind of cream colored. So now I have two separate groups. This is like a cream colored rock, and these are white and black rocks. I could also think about maybe like this one. I don't know if you can see, but it's really shiny. It almost looks like it has crystals in it. And same with this one. I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of looks like a crystal. It's really, really shiny. So I could do shiny and dull. The rest of them, I only have a couple shiny ones though. So those are shiny, and then the rest of these would be dull. Okay? So those are my properties. Those are the properties that I could sort my rocks into. So what you're going to do today is I would like you to take your rock collection and I would like you to sort your rocks. I'm going to show you the notebook page. So our notebook page today, I know it looks like we're going backwards because this one says investigation 1.3, right? 1.3. And we did 1.4 last time. Focus question, how are river rocks the same? So we just did my river rocks. You might not have river rocks, but we can call your rocks river rocks. They're like your home rocks. How are home rocks the same? In today's investigation, we took a bag of mixed rocks and sorted them by properties. Write about the properties you sorted your rocks by. Draw a picture of your rocks sorted. So I'm going to write the date. It is 10-8-20. And I want you to sort your rocks any way you want to. Okay, so you're going to sort them one way, like I did when I did big and small, or big, medium, and small. And then you're going to sort them a different way, like when I did colors, when I did cream colored versus black and white colored. So you get to decide. You could do by size, by color, by the way they feel. Some of them maybe have lines on them. Some of them maybe have spots. Maybe some are sparkly and some are not. So I want you to sort your rocks, and you're going to draw pictures of how you sorted your rocks. And then on the bottom, I want you to tell me how you sorted your rocks. So it said, I sorted my rocks by, on mine, I sorted my rocks by, I'm going to say, I sorted my rocks by size. And then I'm going to say big, medium, and small. And by color. Remember, cream and black and white. So that's how I sorted my rocks. That doesn't necessarily mean that's how you sorted your rocks. You could have sorted your rocks differently. I can also draw a picture. So I had my small rocks, and then I had medium rocks. I had a lot of, and then I had only one big rock, right, by itself. And then color, I had cream rocks. They kind of stay white because, and then I had black and white rocks. So I'm going to kind of color them that way so you can kind of see that they were different colors, right? So I want you to sort your rocks the way that works best for your rocks, okay? So you can copy mine if you want, but I would like you to sort your own rock collection so you have an idea of the kind of properties that your rocks have. And I will see you in the next video.